Hi friends, myself is Nirmal Ghosh here with my 66th motivational video. The topic of this video is the art of communication, the art of effective communication, friends. Obviously, it is in my YouTube channel, that is Nirmalo's Dream World, and I am hoping that you all are watching my YouTube channel, that is Nirmalo's Dream World. Friends, I am coming to the main point. The art of communication is very much important in our day-to-day life, because if we do not communicate properly, accurately, then there will be no success in your life. There will be too much depression in your life, because you will try to communicate a thing and another thing will be communicated. So it is very much important in our day-to-day life to make a proper communication, because as a human being, only we can communicate through a dialogue or through conversation, through words, which animals cannot. It is the God's gift to us. So friends, the art of communication is very much important. Not only communication will serve your purpose, actually the proper communication will be important. Suppose you are a boss of a company and you have got a feedback from a customer about your service or product, and that is a positive feedback, appreciating your team members. And if you communicate it to your team members in a positive manner, in a sound manner, in an expressive manner, then your team members will be motivated, and using some motivating words to your team members about the feedback with a loud and good positive gesture in your body, then your team members will be motivated. But friends, if you do the same thing in a disinterested manner, if as a company boss you just give the feedback of your customer, the positive feedback, the appreciation from the customers to your team members as a disinterested manner, then it will be detrimental to the health of your team. It will not motivate your team, and so your team will be in a negative thinking team. And although you will try to boost them up, you will never be successful, because it will create a scratch in their mind that our boss is a negative person, a disinterested person. So friends, communication is very much important. Just think about a painter. When a painter paints a art, then he uses a proper brush. He focus on every stroke, so that the picture, the art are coming properly. Everybody can understand the art, and he has to identify which colors he will use in his painting brush, and which painting brush he will use. Just like that, you have to choose proper word for proper communication. A slang language, you think that it is very much amusing, but a slang language in a time of communication may hurt the other party. But you may think that as in my friend circle it is very much appreciated, then the person will appreciate it. It is a wrong conception, friend. You have to be professional in your professional field, or in your proper communication field, so that your communication never hurt anybody. Your communication is proper, friend. So you have to be focal. You have to be a focused person. You have to keep a focal point to choosing your words, to the methods of communication you are choosing. And if you communicate over telephone, then you have to use a proper network. That is very much important, because some networks are very much not clear, and they create some hazy voices. I am not taking the names of that companies. So you have to keep in mind that which company's phone or which company's SIM card will use to communicate an important message, friends. Whether you will use Jio or BSNL, etc., it is up to you that which network of communication in mobile phone is very much clear. you have to use it. It is in your intelligence, friend, that you have to do such things, innovative things, so that your communication is proper and perfect, so that in one stroke it gets success. Friends, whether you will write anything, whether you send a message, email, in everywhere you have to choose very vital words, proper words, and not only the words, your body language, your gesture bears also a very vital thing, friends. Your gesture, body language. If you are saying a positive thing with a negative gesture, then it will not create any impact on the person to whom you are saying it. You have to keep a positive body language, positive facial expression. You have to communicate from not only from your brain but also from your heart and soul. And then only your body language also give your company with your words. So friends, you have to keep the balance between the words and your body language as a whole, all together, and then you will get the success. And eye-to-eye contact for a communication, for a serious communication, is very much important, because if you do not do the eye contact, if your eye is scattered here and there when you are communicating, then the other person will think that you are not serious about the communication. You are not concentrating in his words, or you are not even concentrating in your words also. So always keep eye-to-eye contact with the person to whom you are communicating. So friend, it is very much important that communication should be proper, perfect, with chosen words, positive body languages, and one most important thing is that to complete a communication, a feedback should be sent to person. Suppose you are sending a mail to a person. After sending the mail, you just ring the person over telephone or mobile and say them that I have sent the mail, because he may be in busy schedule, or your mail may be in a lower list because the mail ID of that important person is full always. So you have to communicate that just I have sent that mail to you, sir or friend. And if this communication received by that person over telephone or etc., then he will see the mail. I have given some example here, just an example here. There are a lot of examples, and you have to be innovative to create different methods for proper communication. Friends, you can send a person to another person for your communication. You can do the communication directly. You can do the communication by sending letter also through courier. There are a lot of ways in WhatsApp, in Facebook, in everywhere, but you have to remain cautious about your communication so that it can be proper. It must be to the point. It must be proper word constructing the communication, and where body language is not seen, then the words bear your body languages. So choose the proper words, courteous words, positive words, and the words bearing the meaning for your communication. And then there will be nobody in this world who can stop you from achieving success. Especially in marketing organization, especially for marketing personnel, communication is very much important. Body language is very much important. Dress is also a good communication element, because your dress, your impression, your first look is too much important for a marketing business and for marketing of a product, because the customer do not know how much knowledgeable you are and how much good is your product. You will rely on your communication, on your words, on your body language, on your decent dress, etc., etc., etc. So friends, you have to focus on all these things, and if you can do this, then nobody in this world can stop you from achieving the top ladder of your success, to reach the top ladder of success. This is, in nutshell, the art of communication skills description I have given here. There are a lot of another points also, which is also important, but I have just told here the magnetic points, and hope that I have made some sense to you all. And if this video comes to your this video becomes useful to you all, then it will come it will bring a success to me, and I will be very much happy, friends. So please follow the words which I have told if you think that it makes some sense to you all. And I hope that if you like this video, you will subscribe my YouTube channel. You must subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal's Dream World. Till then, friends, goodbye, stay healthy, stay positive.